guys, welcome back to Manifest with Armine. This is Armine and I'm a law of attraction consultant. This video is about short affirmations. I had a comment with one of my other videos and I was asked to sort of explain Neville's short affirmations that he encouraged. And what that basically is that he says to take the feeling, once you've identified the feeling of what you want to feel, what you want to experience, to sort of choose a word, sum it up in one word, and it doesn't have to make sense to anybody else because it's not about anybody else, but whatever one word means that overall feeling to you, to take that word and use that as an affirmation. And this is very effective because, first of all, it's not like a long affirmation to remember. You don't have to write it down. You don't have to read it. It's just one word that you can fall asleep repeating over and over. And since it's one word you're repeating over and over, you can really say it slowly and allow it to sink in over and over and over again. And I like this. I like this more than the long affirmations. Only because the long affirmations, I feel like sometimes they involve parts of life that aren't necessarily tied to that just one feeling I want to capture. So this is something that's great, like to soothe yourself throughout the day too. You know, if you're standing in line at the grocery store, you can just repeat this word to yourself over and over again. It's just something to remind yourself who you are now, the new man, you know. And it's, you know, a lot of times we tend to be better friends to others than we are to ourselves. Like we can automatically soothe our friends when they can use soothing because we don't think twice about it. But when it comes to us, when we're being hard on ourselves, when we're feeling not good, we don't really think of soothing ourselves as much. So use that word, that 1, 2, 3 word affirmation to soothe yourself throughout the day. Just let it become part of you. And as if that word really does sum up the feeling of what you are wanting, what you were wanting, then you will incorporate that feeling into your naturalness throughout the day. And if you're doing it right, then it won't take long before your wish is externalized in this world. It really won't. If it's taking too long, it's because you're not doing it right, basically. And it's okay if you're not doing it right. Just check out how you're feeling as you're doing it. Check out, are you doing it? Are you actually letting yourself be relieved when you're saying that word to yourself? Or are you just saying it like out of panic, you know? So there you go. If you have any other questions, please let me know. And if you'd like to subscribe and you haven't done yet, please do so if you'd like to. And that's about it for now. Bye guys.